Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a skincare set that promises to nourish, hydrate, and leave you glowing. Perfect for those looking to improve their daily routine. If you're tired of your skincare feeling lackluster and you need something that checks all the boxes, hydration, anti-aging, and soothing, this one might be a game changer. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review on skincare and beauty products like this one. This skincare set, featuring 6 pieces, is designed for anyone who's looking for an easy yet effective way to pamper their skin. Whether you're a busy teen or an adult woman, this set claims to offer everything you need: a makeup remover, cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and eye cream. The star ingredient? Korean rice extract, known for its hydrating, soothing, and anti-aging properties. This skincare kit promises to hydrate, control oil, tighten pores, soothe, and give you a glowing, youthful appearance. Now let's see if it actually delivers. The first thing I noticed when I started using the set was how gentle yet effective everything felt. The makeup remover is surprisingly smooth on the skin, taking off dirt and makeup without any harsh scrubbing. The rice water-based face wash is also incredibly nourishing. It left my skin feeling refreshed and never stripped, which is always a concern with cleansers. It did an excellent job removing makeup without irritating my sensitive skin, which can be prone to dryness. The toner was next, and I was impressed. Unlike some toners that leave your skin feeling tight or dry, this one seemed to hydrate as it balanced my skin's oil levels. That's a big win, especially for combination skin. The serum followed up perfectly, light yet powerful, leaving my skin dewy without feeling heavy or greasy. I could feel the hydration settling in, and it was a nice boost. Now for the eye cream. Let's talk about that for a second. Dark circles are something I deal with, and while nothing can work miracles overnight, this cream gave a noticeable reduction in puffiness by morning. Over time, the under eye area did look brighter and felt less fatigued, which was a relief. As for the moisturizer, it was thick enough to feel luxurious, but light enough to wear daily without clogging pores. I noticed that my skin felt soft and looked smooth, even before applying makeup. Now, let's talk pros and cons. Pros. The formulation with Korean rice extract is excellent for hydrating and soothing the skin, especially for sensitive types. A complete set, which covers all the essentials in one package. Perfect for someone who wants an easy, all-in-one solution. Great for multiple skin types, from dry to oily, it has something for everyone. Gentle yet effective on the skin, especially for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. The eye cream really works puffiness and dark circles, and over time I noticed improvements. Cons. While the set is amazing, the price point might be a bit high for some, especially for those looking for something budget-friendly. I would have preferred the serum to be a little more hydrating for very dry skin types. It's more suitable for normal to combination skin. The packaging could be a bit more user-friendly, especially for the toner and serum. They can be hard to dispense in the right amount. Now, for value for money. This set is definitely on the pricier side for a skincare kit. However, if you're someone who values a full routine in a single box with quality ingredients, it could be well worth it. The rice extract and the other vegetable-based ingredients are the star players here, and they've been shown to improve skin texture and elasticity over time. Comparing it to other skincare sets on the market, it does stand out because of the unique inclusion of Korean rice extract, which has been a sought-after ingredient in skincare due to its hydrating and anti-aging properties. Some similar sets may offer just as many pieces, but this one has that premium feel thanks to the rice extract. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek, but I do feel that some of the products could use a more ergonomic design. It's not a deal breaker, but when you're applying skincare daily, easy access to the product is key. Customer support? I didn't have direct interaction with their customer service, but the brand is known for being responsive and addressing concerns promptly. Their customer reputation seems solid, and that's always reassuring when investing in skincare. Let's talk about product alternatives. If you feel this set might be a bit too much for your budget, I would suggest looking into affordable options like CeraVe's Hydrating Facial Routine or the Ordinary skincare line, which are also built on hydration and glow-enhancing principles. They don't have the Korean rice extract, but they are still great budget-friendly alternatives with a reputation for effectiveness. To sum it all up, the skincare set with Korean rice extract is a luxurious, all-in-one skincare routine that offers hydration, anti-aging, and soothing benefits. While it's not the most affordable option on the market, the ingredients and the way it makes your skin feel are impressive. This would be perfect for anyone looking for a skin refresh, especially those with sensitive or combination skin. If you're already a fan of Korean skincare, this set could easily become a staple in your routine. For teens looking to step up their skincare game, or for women wanting a convenient way to pamper themselves, this could be your new go-to. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest reviews. And if you're ready to grab it, the link is in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.